Okay friends, I am here with day number 16 of Christy's Beautiful Life, the best of Christy's Beautiful Life 30 Days of Sketches. And today is a sketch that is designed by Susanna Lee. And I'm sorry, I have the PDF file here, so I don't know when the original sketch was posted. It was sometime in the previous 9 instances of the best, or Christy's Beautiful Life 30 Days of Sketches. So it's there somewhere. I don't have access to that information right now. So the sketch itself, which I'll show you here in a minute, is a 2-photo sketch, and I've pulled 3 photos that I want to try and use this go around. I pulled in 3 different pattern papers, and that one I've already cut my border strip off of. I got excited, I'm ready to play, and so I cut my border strip off before I started filming. So those are that, and then I have this lovely green. The back side is that turquoise. I'll probably cut the center of that out, or however I fit these stripes on there, these strips of paper on there. I'm probably going to cut some of that down to save some of that. But then again, I have other papers because I bought 2 packs of paper. This is a combination of the 2 Felicity Jane kits. I pulled in my black alphabet, the Jamie puffy stickers, and then the Gabby turquoise color stickers. I pulled in some chipboard phrases. I pulled in some labels. I have tons of labels here that I want to try and use some of those. I have washi strips here. I have amber puffy borders, and then I have these freckled fawn puffy hearts. I have both the stamp sets, the Gabby and the Millie sets, because those are the paper packs that I have. I have 2 different washi tapes that I have pulled in to use. One has some turquoisey bits and the other one is a black diagonal stripe. And then I have my embellishment pieces here. These are all the little chipboard embellishment packs that came with Gabby and what did I tell you, Millie? Both of those are in here. Then I have the chipboard pieces from the Freckled Fawn, as well as the wood veneer pieces that I have. So I will try and get some progress with those. Sorry my filming setup isn't like it normally is. It's a bit precarious how I have it set up, but I'm doing the best that I can. I left my tripod down in the car. I'll bring it up probably for the next layout and see if I have any better luck filming with that. Anyway guys, I will be back. Stay tuned for the close-up, and then I'll be back to show you what I have created. Okay friends, I finished layout number 16. Let me show you what I didn't use. I have 3 sets of stickers of labels here. These are the same ones, it's just there's fewer on this sheet than there are on this one. And then that set, and I did not use this stamp set. This stamp set I did use. I used that heart border there. I used both rolls of washi tape that I pulled in. I pulled or used 3 of the puffy stickers here. 1 of the puffy borders. I used 3 of the chipboard words. I used a portion of a washi strip there, and a portion of the washi strip here. From this sticker set, I did use 1 label there, and I used 3 labels. These 2, and I believe this one from this set. I used both of the alphabets that I pulled in, but I did have to pull in an additional pack of the black set because I ran out of a few letters. And I did pull in several embellishments from here. So here are my cutoffs from my paper. That is a small piece of paper that I cut out from my background paper, and I did pull this sheet of paper in to back my photos with. And then all 3 of the pattern papers that I pulled in to use, I did use a 2-inch strip from each piece. But using the papers at a diagonal, I had to add this paper in to put behind my photos so that I could have something where I could split my papers in the background to make them span the whole 12 by 12. So let me move this, and here is the layout that I created. It's a terrific view for you guys. So here it is. And you can see where the strips go here. That's why I bordered the photos there. And then on the back side, that's what that looks like. I had to separate the pieces of paper so that they would span the distance. And you can see the title is Flower Power Grumpy Style. And then I just used a label, a chipboard piece, a puffy sticker, and then a ephemera piece from out of my ephemera bin here, a little heart there, and two pieces of washi tape, and then that stamp along the bottom. There's that puffy border there. Again, I have washi strip, washi tape, and then I have the heart border down here, the two different hearts, and then the labels here, and the chipboard piece here. And then up here, same difference. You have a label, a chipboard piece, two hearts, the two washi strips, and then the heart border stamp. Yeah, so there's layout number 16. I will have close-ups at the end of the video. If you are interested in seeing other layouts that I have created for this series, please check on my YouTube channel on the playlist. I have a hashtag 30DS best of 30DS CBL. So I think I said that right. Yeah. Otherwise, it should be on the Christy's Beautiful Life playlist that she has, also by hashtag best of 30DS CBL. Anyway, guys, I appreciate you being here. I would love it if you would flip me a thumbs up, and I will see you on the next video. Have a good day.